Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I absolutely love a good English breakfast tea, and this one from Taylor's is absolutely delicious. What I love about English breakfast tea is that it is a full-bodied tea. It has a super delicious flavor. It's a little bit earthy and it's not overwhelming. I love it any time of day, but particularly in the morning or for an afternoon pick-me-up, and it never lets me down. So I love these because they are the individually wrapped tea bags, so you can take them with you on the go, put a couple in your purse, take them to work, and you can have the perfect cup of tea anytime, anywhere. So this is delicious just as it is. You can just brew it in hot water for about 4 to 5 minutes. You can add some lemon, you can add milk and sugar. No matter how your favorite way to have this tea is, you are going to absolutely love it. It has a beautiful aroma and just an absolute flavor like getting a warm hug. So if you are looking to give yourself a little boost during the day, I would definitely check out this delicious tea from Taylor's, and that's my point of view.